I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your burgers cook evenly and develop a nice crust. Next, gently form your ground beef into patties, aiming for about 1 inch thick. Don't press them too hard, as this can make them tough. Finally, season both sides generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love for maximum flavor. Now, let's get those burgers baking. Place your seasoned patties on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows air to circulate, helping them cook evenly and preventing them from sitting in grease. Bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure they reach a safe internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. Almost ready to enjoy. For a classic cheeseburger, add your favorite cheese slices during the last 2 minutes of baking. This gives the cheese just enough time to melt beautifully. While the cheese is melting, lightly toast your burger buns. You can do this in the oven alongside the burgers or quickly in a pan. Finally, gather all your favorite toppings such as crisp lettuce, fresh tomato, and sliced onion for a personalized burger experience. It's time to assemble your delicious oven-baked burger. Place your perfectly cooked patty and melted cheese onto your toasted bun, then pile on all your favorite toppings. Serve these fantastic burgers immediately with classic sides like crispy fries or a fresh, vibrant salad. They are perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a casual gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.